Man, you have been in the game. Please, guys, share this video and thumbs up this video and go give it a like. You know what it is? You know, feel me? Nala wo imaru wasin. A lot of things have gone wrong. I didn't say a lot of things have gone right. A lot of things have gone wrong. I have to come out categorically as a Binibo to clear the hair and at the same time correct the mistake that some of our elders are making on social media or deceiving our people on social media, rather misleading our Edo lights home and abroad on social media, which is totally an aberration. It's an outsider arrangement. It's an state of in-depth balloon, which I am not happy with it. Now, I want peace to reign in a Enogie house amicably, with sincerity, with a sincere apology, purity. My people, see, I remove cap for all the lovely mothers out there who are watching my videos. You guys are the best, and you remain the best, and you forever remain the best. When I say so, now maybe the saga, now they call the women ashi welle, ashi poto. But for this today, me, I throw away salute for all the responsible women out there, all the responsible mothers out there, all the mothers, the women that know their worth. Tuale for all of you now. Kudos to all of you now. Bongo tia to all of you. Una too much, not too correct. Tuale. Baba with the smile throw away salute for not too much. May God richly bless you guys. Give you wisdom, whether you are married, you are a single mother, you are a single girl, you know your worth as a woman, and you know what you want. May God richly bless you guys. I truly salute for you guys. Now, I say respect and kudos to my lovely bro, Shema, Baba, you know why, Epa, Edimofi, the social media press. Please, if you are watching this video from Facebook, please share this video. I use God beg now. Before I go to diagnose, because today I will diagnose matter for inside matter, yes. Me and Epa the Murphy, we know the quarrel. Epa of my father, we don't settle. It's my Epa. No say I call Epa, my Epa. But the first say we know the quarrel. If Epa do what no cordial, I'll come on this class to come here. And without no insult, and I don't want anybody to call me and throw mark or insult Epa Edimofi. Voilà. Epa Salobua Edimofi Salobua on an government magie no. He might do what is wrong, he might not know. It's my duty as a son to correct my father when he's doing the wrong thing. That's my name. UMENWAN. No one say right, no one say yeah, amen. It's my duty to advise him. It's my duty to advise her. I did not hide secrets for them. This is the reason why they call me a muzzle. Mama lose God, I go disgrace her publicly, make everybody say, oh, one oh. If you do well, I go worship her, she's a queen. I die, oh, Salobwa, who does ya, Bama Oriole? Why are you what door? All those married women. May God richly bless you guys. May you see, may you marry your bestie, your best friend, your husband, your love, your daddy, your first son, your everything. May God not let you marry your enemy. Say amen. Today is a Sunday evening. In the morning, I prophesy Aquadobo. This evening again, Mama with the smile is here. Oh, do I see bele. I see whether Eddie Murphy, what talk better when what talk better longer. He will do PDP, Nanyata, APC, Osomole, I don't know. I'm not a politician. Now, Baba, what talk better. What you did is totally an aberration. It's a wrong settlement. Epa, you do respect, sir. Your boy lawyer. What the settlement you did for Enogie and wife is a wrong settlement. It's for your selfish interest, Baba. Baba, you know, you go what talk. Total. Sit down for house. Make you dey listen to your boy one talk. No vessel. Not take this saga. No, not take this analysis like insult, Baba. Audio one or wohan one. What I'm going to say might not be pleasant to you, but it's the truth. Here we can take every mail because you know who are. We're even a because of power will give no more than one are you go. Where are them? Where we now? Who can come to young winner of my vacuum? Baba Wato, to respect, sir. Imanago Tiabonwe, Eramohun. It's my duty to tell you the truth. When I start Imanata, I will not be happy. If I love you as a father, it is my own duty to let you know, say, bros. It will not lose God. I must greet you. When I will go, when I feel you, I say, "Pai, did not feel this okay." Emilo B, not total near Adam. Oh, yes. The reason why I will still be insulting the wife because the wife insulted me and disrespected me as a man. My is okay. It's okay. Just not 40. You understand? So you are the messing bogiha. Everywhere I pass me age. It's okay. Okay, the I am not your mate. You understand? You cannot be insulting me. You understand? Now what that work back bezo? But the way I it cannot be more than 5 years no DNA. Because I'm 45, but the voice will be 50 or 40 something. You understand? So you are 40 years, you be insulting me, I'm not be okay, man. That's the reason why Emilo Bay remain Emilo Bay. Until you will come out and apologize to me personally. There you issue is okay. Where do I Enogie? We're not where the social media grow a page in Vietnam. Can you just imagine the social media nuisance? Where they bother from do us beg it's okay. It's okay. Who they bother do I beg us I say because we here to refund you the marriage for your selfish interests. You don't care about the emotion of this woman, the feelings of this woman, the pain, the agony that the Enogie puts this woman into. Because we are making now a marriage. Oh God. Because we are making now a marriage. You think I care? Me, I will stand here to tell you the truth. My guy. You know, I play, not they put food on my table. I stand to speak the truth, nothing but the truth. To my Adolites, home and abroad, worldwide. If you like me, to her. If you don't like me, inshallah, babene. You dey feel me? Now, you is okay. You are the seller of those clothes, of the marriage clothes, which worth 15,000 naira, and you guys sell it here at a rate of 100 euro. Extra 150 bonus, gift that is benefit for you. 50 pieces is 1.5 million, 7.5 million, 7.5 million naira is your 50 pieces bill. Now, I want to return 7.5 million to social media fans of Enogie. It go hard. Well, I will review now because it goes sweet. If you don't go sweet or you make you know the feel say I wear eyeglass. You know they see my face. Frank with video. Larry, Frank enter house. Now you take open your fake account. Why can't you buy your business and stay out from Enogie marriage? You bloody niggas out there. You feel me? I don't mind my business because Enogie has never mind his business on beneath cyberspace guy. You got what I'm saying? Since Enogie has been on cyberspace, as Enogie bring out a particular content that say this is my content, like untouchable comedy that always do prank. Instead, Enogie page on people on social media, say the same way I, Baba with the span, also page and feed on Enogie's issue on social media cyberspace. Put your hands together for Moswell. Hello, are you hearing me? Omonomose Gold, you said you need to call me. My number is +491 F419 +491 521 41 50 798. That's my number. Okay, now let's go there. Please share this video as I'm watching. When we what did you Facebook? Wa show you. Now. It might be the conversation, because right now as I'm talking, I am angry in my spirits. Why am I angry in my spirits? Because I see oppression here. I know my people know me. The so-called conversation they make last night, that was around 3 o'clock in the night. And I came out this morning to pray for my life. And pray for my lovely, beautiful wife. Oh, can I know Enogie? Oh, can I know Enogie? No, my wife. Oh, didn't marry. Didn't have a swag. Didn't see a young guy now. In asking a young guy, now I'm with the D. Didn't know Enogie, Kevin, no guy. Oh, neck be panda, neck be medicated, neck be stacky. You bow a no. It can be a where. You gave me my friend to marry. You know, wait till you see for anything. Does they play? You think say that name UMENWAN not joke? Sometimes we don't know what, we don't know anything. If you like to get 200 children. So, UMENWAN ayo wana yemadege. Me and we are Enogie, right? Enogie is supposed to be out of my platform right now. Where is my own picture? Let me place my picture, because if I see this your face, I go to paro. Me take me see my picture before me now. Okay, ni my picture picture me yo picture aka aka super glue me ma. Imam picture be mu yo. Okay, let me put my boy picture. My friend, my best friend. Okay, that's me. Okay, so please share this video. I'm right on TikTok at the same time, and you can see what Ewi is doing is very, very bad. Hitting a woman, beating your own wife. If you not see one matter now easy where Maria will go, and so I was say take baby with Enogie. Or I want any meji or time ujime uyirame. Also I'm saying anyone get it now. Understand? Anyone get it now. Yes, that's the truth. Anyone get it now. My don't go back in Nigeria. It does not now. Me just say I will go drag her. One of them say wow so. Me I go do all this like that. Understand? Enogie keke go say me here any adi. Osama say fuck up in there. Osama say get brothers for this Europe. Don't play. Osama say get brothers for Czech for is it not Czech Republic or Finland? Osama say get brothers. Better brothers who say they do well, extremely well. They are doing perfectly well. They work baniya. Osama say when I 10 we buna need deal key. Then bam pass Enogie 100%. Senior made them. Osama say okay moi banek be egboto. On a my family or egboto. Or say you see them all kept quiet watching Enogie dealing with Osama say. And I made the talk with UMENWAN. I'm gonna share this video, I'm gonna listen. Imagine only I go and no sense no Osama say. But sometimes I go take and say that my sister, the thing will paro me. You understand? If you hear that team no who you could not word that way. Especially when it comes to home relationship, marriage. Eddie Murphy, I talk about, but I'm gonna share this video. Let's go to Eddie Murphy's story. Eddie Murphy now I said to Enogie who some see. Now my people agree to now. Pala wo share video what you pan patota. I use God beg una, muna call Eddie Murphy anywhere they wanna tag him. And he and is talking. Muna attack them, make them sit down. Muzzle will not talk. Enough of this nonsense, because I will not take this lightly. Understand? Okay, let me block this animal here. But I will vessel. I don't know how to. I only know how to block person. I don't know how to open person. Oh yeah, thing Vitoto. Vipi. Hello, beautiful angel. How you doing, baby girl? What's up? Alright. Okay. So, how you be doing? Do you miss me? Any kiss for me? It's here when I'm busy. I called you, I'll call you. You want to change that? Check your phone. Kick one of our pin. Only one you know again. Oh, we go for it. Money that money, that's a new character. Money that money, we start beating our wife now. They will try to kiss one bone while I do boss of you. What? I do like seven bosses. You're 50% labeng. I need 7 bosses. Now the bosses don't see on your show. You are here, you are last one. I hear 1 year. Alright, they love you. Okay, let me go for a bit. Okay, I'm here to hear the bosses of you. Oh, Jesus. Okay, I say go for bit now. You go tea. I've been saving my wife go tea boss at home because since we have told the peace for half now. What's now? He has on how you are. A boss has been what gagakwa. What's now? So that one aside. Now, let's call a spade a spade. If you hear the water work, babe, allow that one. Let's keep joke aside. Let's go straight to the reason why I'm here today. The reason why I see Enogie make a settlement between Enogie and the wife, it was a nice one, but there was a big error on that settlement. What was the error on that settlement? Enogie was talk about Damo. Oh, we have to work here. I be the to work here. But that is a question. You need to come out a Enogie to come and tell the world who you really are. Because in marriage, understand the Enogie. If you be really Bini, may we know where you come for Bini. May we know the kind of tradition, what and the practice for Bini. You understand? We want to really know your tradition, where you they practice for Bini, which kind of tradition by the more you they practice. Because not be the one, not be the Oba with the serve. Ewa or Gidigan. Nupo giver. Oye kene mado yo, no won't take no whistle. Or the other I mwete. Don't buy the magade wega. We don't really know. Stop deceiving the dumb people, because you cannot be criticizing the tradition of our lands, and you say you are a Benema. When I was however, una with the no yari, no yari, no gugu no amunjo. Una with no lali agua, no yari agua. A pie the mofi. Ozeya no sunda Enogie o kan na be zoro umadere as agwa, all for your selfish interest, because when you are hosting a birthday, a marriage, no go make na mo wa so awa vat ne later FB on so awa vat do mo ne e pa di mo fi de ken we gele yi ye do e we bu na de ken we mu ja ye do ni agu we mu ja ye do ya di mo fi. We are not so one maybe no here, no kekwa everywhere support your excellent society to tear bottom. I must greet you. You understand? It happened. Even in China, Mukbang would again where he will not wrong paper. I'm not going to get about your ideology. Somebody to tell you the truth. You understand? Osama said, where you came to the black star one and your head. Iya nu he ni nde ko biri ni agbakoyo iya isi ya ko ye gbagba ko do paka o ma dega wa o ko na pe papa si don as oyedo o na gele mi go your hunu we kayo ya kegbe epa la go awon yen say if you know so that when I actually agree now you told me bro I respect you now I know why I sought you the things when you they do now the wrong side they go I just dey talk and now the video what they hear we understand that make wait hold that because now I settle no I no magba ni body no bros you try am I blame video ni you understand if the man agree once it comes to our tradition the man we agree we better quarrel. I will not support you to be clapping hands for our tradition to be abolished. It's not done. Where beyond, I know. Where both I will say, where Enogie, you are just a godfather. There are some limits you step your foot into in their life, especially when it comes to custom and tradition. Where or yin kegbe okwo we kayo kegbe yin nyo gbe gele na wonu bu me koran yo fian okwo we kayo no ge kegbe omo nu we ma emu na wona mo ma ayuru ko baba wa talk pe bro respect my respect to a party bofi imalo ti e bonu baba wa to I must do if you don't want to get what you want to no down here. I am one or bo wire me or the young one or one. Hello? Hello? Okay, precious. Baba, you allow a bill last check up. Get out of my platform. It blocked you really. Okay. So, a bad Murphy will talk baba. Very sorry, understand. Them in international way. Be better as a no way. In every nonsense, there is always a sense. Pick the sense of every of my nonsense and make the use of the sense. And leave the nonsense. Baba. A settlement no make is totally barbaric. Every you do respect. A settlement no make is for your selfish interest. Because of what you know. We're here to defend you. We're only married. At the end of the day, what happened now? The one that will come up again will be worse than one market. If I ubina day go the more the iron and baba. If I had the Murphy. When medo gugwan utada Enogie because Enogie o wa lope enwini ni oni ma na re iwe no enwu megbe yes ebo paro Enogie yan ti di menu na many mentor I am the mentor of Enogie ebo paro Enogie yan ti di mebede no ya hi megbe no why it's a little ball. Any bunia soy, Ranebe and Enwa soy and Gio soy, as UMENWAN. Yes, sir. A woga got 2 years, and where ye buluku, and no giving is Sarah. Ibeka be a yak bulugo to talk. Oh, I'm more difficult. A mamma yat in a bay. It's a bon fool. Or whether I was you, a dog Babylonia, what? A party Murphy, what I did you know me, what guy. One of first now on the year to the year be me. Because if I just believe they cure this thing, so that a part with a year waiting at the talk. He said don't go make settlement for it's okay. Enogie priceless. Oh, mi agwa fi go get beer. Iya afia wo get beer, one mama, bia ige oge beer kele. Oge ni sin afia we odogun. Oge ni sin e afia we. Odogun we na eno sununa. Os wo dey by cause na gbogo kan gbegu. Odogun we na wa lock up ya afia wo ge ugo ge owo wa ru we gbe. E beer ni mi afia we ale. This man called Ugo. You see say he say young boy Now I teach Enogie all this babati we don't do so go. Now I teach Ugo. But when you call you, we make them very big. There's a bawogi. All this babati we don't do so go. Now I teach Ugo na one day. All you get where I did that. But when you call, no one listen Enogie. Ugo every.
Anyway, for the beginning, the whole thing was prank. Okay, prank no no. The day when the quarrel started, the day when fight when because after the prank, we don't feel the quarrel. So na prank we take starter before it comes to reality. What did always a big quarrel? No pass the fatherly love why they cry put day and night. Don't be to use my thought say na me born pikin na me born pikin. When be say they no dey care, no dey. Don't be to wear pikin fine clothes. Now see pikin for outside they'll say wow. Say our children fine. Inside they are not happy. I don't like them. I know I mean my children. Me know why I know experience fatherly love. So I don't need that kind of thing for my children. Me not grow as I say I grow with my papa. I experience fatherly love. Then my children of course they come. They not go.
Mama shared the video.
So man they take care of pikin, they play with her. So I not just say every woman go quarrel. So wetin me they cry for, wetin me they complain for, wetin they cause argument. Because as they do saga, I know my children come out tomorrow. They'll call they arrogant, call they ash for public. Then they'll call say oberanary or visionary. Never in my life will I brought my children up like that. At least if you can come and they'll say, oh, no, my money no give here, or no, my money waging.
My beautiful people, I love you guys. You guys are the best and you remain the best. There are some lies that we will take. There are some lies that we will not take. Instead, we will let you guys know that we are not fools. Also, I want to say, so I want to go a man. Also, I want to say, also, no go a man yet team by what team. No ya gba ore mo no biele o me no biele no gi e die body wa se ohun no de kun en ko kunde apa ma ori ole usagbaye o isa no go emi etin bi gbegbe no ya gba ore mo ya no biele no gi no mo e ka we mi nu e u talk gegege u yo pe won dugi uri e mo nu suse yi anything from my heart this evening. Osaune see. What? Osaune see. Udega mutawununa. A script no tie no tie. I call it script. You are reading. A script no tie ununa. Hey man, social media fans or lovers that are watching you, do you come my sister? I do where I book be anaji or mass and when I if you do what you want to talk about video now. Menu member mozo moon white is you know. I little ni me go and what my gualo because you cannot go your everywhere because oh nuwa emi nyan ovi o na ja bodele e kaka bo kun pe akun ku apon re ko apoli eke ipon mi ya fe we ya mu dia gegege nderu nuwa ayi yobu wa gbelegbu wa because every na gbon o yi solo bo na gi mami okpe na bu o ki ma ni ma yo ma go o ki ma ye fridge we na go no do e France o bi ani erun na no Osaru me say, oh, better day, Lord, the Modia, a wrong, unda where equable gege or betrader, a very would me down or back here. As the Mofio or way of Enogie or Wanji, Ulat social media way a prank what ye, a prank waga ye were to zini budawe the Mofi, a prank waga ye with the Mofi do Muwai Bina. A prank waga ye buga the mofi do asaga we a prank waga ye sokenga atene gbe ma wu nyime a prank waga ye baba sister wa koyo wa dododo wa gi ma e gbimo o salo bono gi woni rogo do ya fefe no wa ma no wa de kun pia no hon yo ko yare no ku Ikbianu wa dekun no won yi odo ya lo do bi na ko ri me dekun. My wife is a testimony. Iwa ya ni no. Usolo wa wo se ni mo go me no ma wo se ni yen ni no wa dekun ko ri no wa lare but we are tin imagine when TikTok me block you your end go to go sweet now you go get end and you go soon where you are end you have all level you be and they no give no one be and they no give the way na right the fala no give na on anywhere akoyo no worry type we yo even give ya sagele mayo e mayo sagele mayo go digbe wa share video na me let's go there. You guys are watching me on Baba with this man. Begin to split this video as it hot. Because it never starts. Because this video, it will touch many souls. And for those of those women who are in their husband's house, sit down, get. We now go say, no, I don't know. I am one or go away. Oh, go general. Yaro you. Yes, it be anything. No, you will not let me. Ugo, where you will value in Germany. Ugo. Oma gbe yan pe yakun oma gbomo wa na gba me mu calm down e party mo fi wa to pe Enogie we se o ide go yan ya bu so kun pa no we ya gbe coffee no ya gbe yan the coffee it's very important
ora bi e ya wa lu because parents they brought it up a good way you know what say pikin go dey grow will leave everything for teacher the teacher wa we me ya area contributing, EJ contributing.
Okay.
So if Papa they show people love, the area is zao. Those kind of only for Africa. I do ya go more one. I do ya train no more. Mema like as I said before, for the beginning it was a prank. Yes, for the beginning we planted it or it was a prank. But we can only say okay, my guy prank, not copy prank again.
This is where you are wrong, my beautiful sister. I love you so much. I must tell you the truth, my dear. There was nothing like prank, bro. That is your lie. You accept the apology, you accept everything. It's your husband. Nobody drag it with you. Don't cover everything. This is why I different from Una. I today raw. I be raw, man. I know life fake life. I know the fake life they vex me. It make my head they grow gaga. It didn't make me shave my hair all the time. You might like a fake life. I be raw, man. If I dey do, I dey do. If I know they do, I know they do. You're not hearing me. You're not hearing me. Yeah. Sister, why you dey lie now? Babe, why you dey lie? The prank from the beginning. Now, guys, listen. Let's go back to the beginning of the old Brahman. And I do Zola. Today make it a week where this a fire day. The prank from the beginning was you were on TikTok for good 5 hours, alongside with the friends of your own husband. Those guys who blended your husband to cultists. The guys that make your husband become a cult member today. They jump into your live screen on TikTok. Try to calm you down for you to off the live screen so that we can sort out this thing amicably indoor. Hello? And you knew this was a prank. You continue ranting and start talking all sort of ways to bring your husband down, bring your marital home down, your entire family down. Hello? Now you're coming up and saying, from the beginning it was a prank. Hey, hello, guy, hey, babe, calm down. Baby, calm down. Calm down, begin to calm down. No rush. And the people that was analyzing this video all this year, they are not fools. All the social media live video presenters worldwide that have spoken, that have given their opinion on this issue, they are not fools. It is you, Osama, and your daughter. No Zuwa. Wow, hello? Calm down. Small. No, my piano. But worry, piano. Let's take it small. So my beautiful sister, Osaume say, so it from the beginning was prank, suddenly become reality. That means you judge yourself again.
me not sabi life for my own. So for those of you why I use this video,
sister, you know the life for your own. You know sabi life for your own. Now they don't energize you, they don't pump you, you don't lie. And now from the beginning of this yesterday conversation, the apology yesterday, which you said you did not accept, you never knew it was prank. If it was prank really, as you said yesterday, as they came to apologize to you, it would have once accepted straight down. Even yesterday, as they were apologizing, Enogie could have stand his ground and say, babe, you know saying a prank will be the do now. When you can't change that to reality, baby, don't do now. You could have been, why you they lie? Hello, is somebody hearing what I'm saying? You can hear me? Thumbs up this video, guys. Hello, so I can see why you lie, baby girl. The bullshit never do, you go bust your head. You man a slice when we fridge then you are no clear. Go macam. I'm give you valve you go fridge then so I will say I will near clear. It did not give me this is a pigback time. Go and mark what I'm saying. May God not let it happen to you in Jesus' name. I never pray. God, bear me witness this night. I not pray, may you buy, may your children buy for your hand, may your children grow older and older and older for you. You will reap the fruit of your labor. But on one condition, you must be careful with a wise man, an intellectual man, a man with wisdom, not with this animal you call a husband. Not with the animal you call a husband. Share this video. You are not hearing me. Better. Salome say better. You are not hearing me. You are not hearing what I'm saying. What you? Yeah, you need yeah, you need you.
Offend, I'll say make una beg, make una forgive me. A person will get hot temper, not sabi the kid word for inside the let's say make I appear and make people take like me, make I not some people take like me, not be like that. So I will pour everything out, come out. I'll pour so who like me go still like, who not like me go still rest. So as inside the matter, it's still the fire us because I can't say and say if we get together, but not be now. See the fire maybe many quarrel no come the or call again. Because what happen that day, every day like
oh, hey, Osama say why you dey for your hand now? Enogie see the fire house for the same prank we na do. Auntie, why now? Auntie, you know say I like you. Why you dey lie now? Auntie, why are you lying? You say Enogie see the fire and you come out to tell the boss you did now prank una be do. Auntie, why you dey lie? Your lazy boy, let him go and walk. Bro, auntie, uncle, EJ, una the hear matter. Enogie no go like me, maybe the worst thing. A party more for your excellency, sir. I respect you, bro. Me and you know the quarter girl, but I cannot see the truth. I keep quiet because me and you don't settle. Baba, I go talk. If you want hate me, hate me. If you still love me, love me. Me carry with my like me, no. But I must tell you the reality, the truth, for me to have peace of mind. I not fit tell Enogie truth. I not go tell a bad truth. Eddie Murphy, now your wife they sell clothes of marriage. You no go fit return the money where people don't take back clothes. The benefit of the clothes market is 150 euros. So times 50 is 7.5 million. How you want it for that money? Baba, you need to persuade them, comfort them, advise them, settle them for the marriage to be whole. Because all the settlement you guys were after was all the marriage, autobasis. You're not talking about the feelings of the woman, the trauma of the woman, the pains the woman is passing through in that matrimonial. Is it matrimonial or Mati Bloblo and Mati Zuo? Literally. Enogie collective ministry of give me, I give you. Why Enogie not feel sober? Why Enogie not feel so? He doesn't have. It was just like pains in his heart. Why ending the marriage? It is because Enogie not spend a dime in that marriage. Why organizing that marriage? Enogie not spend penny. Enogie not spend 1 naira. Enogie not spend thinkable. It was all my fan bad. my fan base. It was a connection, connectivities that make us what's it called, precious men. When mama they go, they stand for hold up. When they will do give away for fowl every Christmas. Come donate cow, maybe like goats. Go give Enogie marriage. Now make Enogie get that mad. Divorce or separate once. Like me now, where I know how much I spend for my lovely wife. Oh, I know if you come and say, I don't want marriage. When I have a family, I have a brother, I have a sister, I have a good in-laws, I have a good brother-in-law, sister-in-law, responsible one for that matter, who are intellectual, who are educated, who are mentally sound. Ogun Bazia. Or can I tell you misbehave? Because you know where she's coming from. Imario Ashawo Yowa, Ashiwele, Ashiwolo, a Norway, a Denmark, a Czech Republic, a scraper, a sister Monipo. I know marriage such man was. Those of you now we marry with those women, I know so now be bad, now battle do. He said, whosoever find a wife, find good thing, and the favor of God shall be added unto it. The Bible said, he said, all things are past, all things become new. If you do your wife, I do ashib wele. Once you find out your wife and you love her, all the things which you don't do in the past, the day you meet your wife, you become a virgin. And that's my mentality. I cannot sit down in my sitting room, say, me and my wife, they quarrel. God forbid, I reject it in Jesus' name. Woman, where I go use my pony crop for ground, say, Baba la wo sister, give me wife. Ido ya tawe, you marry. Ido ya mi, ido na fiona. God forbid. Ido bagida gbedika, ido bashawo, ido ma de okay, ido. God, I reject it in Jesus' name. I reject it in Jesus' name. God forbid. Mona the tap God forbid for me. It is what I reject, and I will forever reject it. So I love what loud. Nega gume mi no yami ya saga okane. Make that quarrel not big. I'll come the saga my wife. My own family no go fit settle us. My in-laws no go fit settle us. Even palace no go fit settle us. I go rest. I go forget the marriage. Enogie get mad, come out, come they call the wife. As she wele when he know say in peace for us. When he know say in peace for us. When he know say in yo wa or na yo there. Oh woman go tea bossas for you for market mazulaka lezuda ikuadado inada inawele asiwolo asiwele atiwele baba epa social media president, you do respect. May God bless you for the settlement. Well, that settlement is an error. That settlement now fake. That settlement now for your selfish interest and your wife's selfish interest. Baba, that settlement now for you. I know the planner. Baba, you make that settlement. You I know you don't go planner. Hey, no, you not pay for hotel again. Baba, you know the story. Baba, I greet you, bros. Hey, rocking, no verse. I cannot insult you because you are a father. Baba, that settlement not clear. Baba, you know the story. Baba, you know the work. You know, if you still advise your people, may you go work. Epa, you say you don't have work for years for Germany. Your picking where you did for front of motor. You know, if you tell me go use us rice, fine work, go hospital, beyond me, go to the same one work, you want to take responsibility of your children. Baba, waiting the shop. I want a winning man. I'm not a good one. Have a woo, bros, epa di mofi. Where have I say Enogie? E quizi pa no via esinyo e kwenye ni na obi e pa we nwi na ofi moto bega bi o jemi Enogie we do the why are you kiba be le ya kian wale man wa saga uno masaga no mouse no usi no mouse ngwa mi aduro babala beg use pa you tell the most me tell Enogie me go work but na we na tinye bros ti saga we pa o bueno Tini we been we are your way where they are fast no ya winner. Who problem in Dogia. Any black girl we get document come marry no give baba now woman be no give problem. Us vice we dey with Zogere. You know if you go use and find job, baba me tell you no give the truth. If you follow sorotician, you become a sorotician. If you follow beggar, you become a beggar. If you follow fabrica worker, you become a fabrica workers. Not be joke, guy. You see this caviar so a club event. A club in a buy can only one they stay half. We never get work for this Roma. For everybody with this club, Mokbaya cannot stay you one any winner. Everybody they work. All of them are fabrica worker. Not be seen a joke. You boy yes. Even I don't know Shororo. Everything about the Shororo Emma is good. People they use Shororo they build us. But the people where they work, where they follow, they are all fabrica worker and they are all cow now. In most of the yard drop me over with my scooter. I almost on your boots. You understand? Baba, I had a lot of Epa, you say you don't work for Deutschland. Bros, you know if you advise you don't give me go walk. No, not again, no, they bid or walk here. The same thing you also do with me. We are going to young women or my bid young women. Nia lily, make an army be. Oh, a boy me here, Baba. A boy me here. I did this country today. And I do not chop. They find and they work on my duro 247. They find every me to back my story up. To make sure say I get my documents. My wife get pali for this country. I don't believe on saying my wife will give pali. Or I know your or let you Kevin. Yeah, I will come marriage. Go do come marriage. Go give me people. You only fight a baby. Let me suffer for document and see how it be. Then when it comes out, I'll get the value. Here when the value we yes, more source will be there. More way. Traditional marriage, you didn't even know my elbow. Traditional marriage not count for abroad. You all of now know. No fee say I don't do traditional document and if I know. And they fight the document for Roma here. I will arrest it now. You understand? A parliament no get on now. You go see her. Now here you go day, you go to see my upgrade. You go to see her. Baba go tell your pikin me go walk. No, you are also. Share the video, make it no get see her. And I'm like 18 years boko wani. When you are 18 years old. 18 years boko wani. When you are a winner. It's very important. That power went to the most work for us. Me go use on your hustle. Go use on find job. It's very all easy now. We are when you moto we are capability here. We are in anything. We are in anything now. You told the guy to a place where the word lazy boy. I get friend for you will get car. Up with the same motor with Frank take go drive. Go anywhere, go walk. Can you don't worry, relax. Go give me car keys, yeah. Anywhere you go carry. Go enjoy yourself. You understand me now? Only a problem, man. I want to straighten my life in this abroad. I want people to see me as okay, a boy in a life of feel with you. Challenges. I live woman for Deutschland. I live black. I live Oibo for Germany. Wait today they look onto me. They see me for live screen every day. They want to see the changes between me, between Italy and Deutschland. You want to see where the body has Italy, a life of refuge, the body has Italy, a life of get worst. I decided to pick up that race myself as a man, make a chest down. They go a pamper and no give me see a poor head. Bro, you go become a baby boy forever. There's no time we want to go push on. But me, I tell you the truth. This fight where you set us so it go raise again. Baba will smell that professor again. Another professor don't drop again. You see this fight, it will raise again. This fight go raise again. Go maka. No be joke. Na reality. If you look like stupidity, share the video. A part of you know the story. A matter or a great woman. Watch it after marriage. The only thing I pray for, me, no, by who? No, by who? That's the only thing I pray for. If I came out, what my like him, what hate him, what he about me, and okay. God knows my heart. I never pray, make bad thing happen to them. But you see Enogie, when they beat woman, when he raise hand, beat his daughter, they married 3 years. That guy will never forgive you. I swear. I will never forgive you for you to raise your hand, hit your own daughter. A weird. You are a disgrace to fatherhood. You are a big shame and a big disgrace to fatherhood. Any man, whether they knock woman, they bring the king to come out, who really love their children. Wait a minute. I need to use my picking for no person play. A money may be, may I go maku. My picking fuck up today, my children, they fuck up. They are not put there for punishment on my behalf. I don't know the spirit will use me. As I call my wife, I say, where are my children? He said, they punish. I said, call they come. He said, they punish me. I said, which punishment? What did they do? See, I said the message. They all kick by the level. The young person don't hear me. I say, go call on their call for me. The three of them go and call them. They come. I said, now, you go be my interpreter. I go to talk. You go to interpret the give them. I ask my wife questions. I said, tell them. I ask the question. They talk. I say, now, they don't offend you. Oh yeah, all of them are down. Tell me I'm sorry. Immediately, they go down and say, so I'm sorry, it's okay now. You guys are free. You know, the neck when is here, Bia, am I we met? Neria, you know, two bomb you are agreeing, or moku for that matter, or moku no dira. On me what the pastor you are here, any man of to walk across, no misbehave. He may tell you a bono or honor a bomb or what any yard bar. When you know why a bono, what will your honor a body or get that? Ye listen, no, you go. Or I go to your fafia. Yes, when you are okay, you use one gay, I will listen. And we are not the two bomb. Or you won't make investment no. Or moku investment no. We not to problem na feel you when on a call and a bamen you are an man. Animal amoa. And the movie my deroni, the movie was settle a settlement baby. They will call a settlement baby. And the movie so when they listen, when I go know my pain here, my anger here. Una here. Now they in wife una just play just now. Now let's go to their main story. Now I want to provoke now. Go play their own video. In my video giansin. If I'm like the main settlement now. Why damn it how? If you don't say the worst spin, I'm gonna share this.
Mare Enogie.
Baba, why relax? You will die no give about talk better. Don't sir.
Hi.
Yeah, share this video, guys.
Since Mike no want take our advice by live video, may we give him through this video. Enogie, they do party for Germany, October 6, 2024. Now marriage. So this cloth where you they see for up, so now the
Yeah, don't know some more. My bear, a worker, or women, or body one. When my wife is not there. I kiss my chance one. My wife is not there. So, man, I wear on a winning again. That's when we're oh, led there.
Odogun. Game. Give me a few women.
See, man, you see that when they use your body to compare that boy, just like everybody can compare. See, I mean, I tell you, you don't get how lizard go take reach for water, may turn to crocodile. You understand? That boy that lizard. You understand?
Yeah.
And then we are there vigilantes, not even Atalakpa. Now we be the Atalakpa Frank. Now we not be the Atalakpa. That boy still remain over there, still remain. You understand? That boy the one make they use himself to compare us. That marriage where he go to, I see they talk out till now. Nobody collects this matter from my hand. Now because of you. Now make her go to that marriage where he go to. That woman, no, he don't go knee down. He don't go put 2 knee for ground as usual as they do before go. Make they do this marriage where they go do so. That woman never plan one day to marry this boy.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. Okay. The woman got up. Can I say, man, he go thief bossers, go thief egg, make take off the boy. The Obama said the boy, he bug bear. You understand?
Yeah. Exactly.
You understand? So he's still a boy. That's it. By the way, Bina still be. May put himself in a position. May meet better people. May they advance him. People were supposed to advance and now they claim saying you don't pass in our Dogu. You understand? You will marry one wife, you don't feel control one wife. You want to call yourself compare Dogu, we get 2 wives for us. You understand? We position 2 wives. Yeah, men matters with their wives. They go to quarrel. They go call contact parts make consent one. You know they. So that boy still remain offending. Hey, you wake up there. He was a small boy.
Don't be lying.
You understand?
Don't be lying.
A small boy, not be. I can imagine. Actually, you went away. I just Obama so any on now you go. When the boy now what if you advance him, what advance also I claim win yourself, also I claim win your bass, also I claim win your popular, also I claim win your this way. When I advance that's one thing. Guy I winner. Also I claim win yourself. Guy I year school, also I claim win yourself. You understand? So you cannot what they even know why you need. Also no power say where I bove me buy it. I have crew already have any abazo over do ya buy it.
Iwe Becky wo e Becky. It's started better than Napoli. Iwo e wa gina e wa gunu. E wa all those one they don't shame they are shame. They don't see they are shame. I be Becky any award level we are why I was go we asking. Of the marriage.
Not allow. Oh, we marriage.
You don't make baby marriage.
You surprise you. Marriage in my one with the time with me. I feel go turn it. May I just say again where I have spring or hey, boy, and I will marry you. Transition man, I ask free that walk halfway you want. We may want to mess over. Mamma, let us have only medal.
You made the day. What, baby?
Yeah, man, in the phone. Then he was where he did. When you go, your whom you worry. When you go, your whom you worry. Was here. Oh, we your was here on a woman.
Vous mettez quoi, souhait? Il wanted to yo. Ah, yak between yo. Yak between you and you. Yak between yo.
Ah, that's why you got for.
Ogonimu yo wuku me yo ware. Ogonimu yo wuku me yo ware. What's here? Oh, we may yo wow. I swear you don't make it. Jesus. Why I could be looking why I could be loud. Everyone come up.
That boy have to go and grow up.
Everyone come up get one.
When I grow up,
Any Monica Magabani, Monica Brown.
No, what the message? No, what the message? No, the message. I'll come at Moyagi Belle Garden. So, my name is Monica. May I go with message to Monica?
Better. You know, when I saw you, when I walk on night.
Monica, the go more, Yerowa.
Yeah, when Monica go where the street, where do I go? Go. You never get in out of the Mago again with the boy. You again, I'm what the mango tree, that the mango tree. Yeah, what the they want the Enogie. It was actually 2019 out of the mango tree. You will recover again.
Oh, where you are, ma, where you are,
yeah. In what advice for fair. God bless you. If I young one now.
Yes, now.
Don't or join don't see a street be.
He never grew. A money man said, or you wanna.
Yeah.
A man said, "No, what's a look about your money? Okay, we're me. I also look about you wanna why your money will keep me. A man said, or you who? He never managed to marry. Oh, I'm not saying, or you who. I was one year as well in a Latiana. I'm your Latia. I'm your one as well. Sorry, yes, or what we are. When I carry a phone, Latiani, I don't mean a phone or who's a good over for no weapon. When I will be and I will delete a video. Whom you are the phone. You have access to your wife phone. Or however, you know, you delete it. When I will be and I best stop that. I bet anyone, the other lawyer, Frankie, no, I beg you, I will one as well. Finish. It's better that you come out or open well at when I will at the Roda. Near your Facebook of Roda. As well, you understand? So, your my son or you, they are still a baby, they are still a child. They are here one day. They are still growing. If you advise them, you go turn out to trouble for your hand. So, anyway, the reason why I call, the one we talk yesterday, now use their body, they compare. No, Frankie, you are the lion and the tiger. We can ye. Osik Malo ye. You understand?
Exactly.
Now, me know I'm now. Osik Malo. You know. You understand? So, never you make up. You wake up as one is so near you, baby time, no giddy gun. We will be the champion.
Exactly.
So, all day, you don't mind win. I don't have my win away.
All the no bad agreements, of course, Zono.
Yes, now.
What when I consider advising with you know, or while you're back forward again. Also,
message to go. You're right.
My brother, a comedy, yeah, comedy, one, oh, yeah, comedy.
We have a very metal big you want to live what I live here quite well for no.
Oh, yeah, to comedy. La Nuna, do be one because we made it. Yeah, trying to do the Germany. Unami who go to Tiara, people, sassy government market. Yeah, Mary. Okay, well.
Here we go with Dortmund. Here I'm Enogie. We are here to Dortmund. The other please boss go we are there.
Okay. Now, oh no, what I do the boss as if you better maka.
Don't even swap on latest. Marriage no be scam. Now you go follow social media boy. Wait till do pastor. Marriage no be scam. Who will give me a well again?
On your go hiding.
Here come be
Ogoni mi go yiku me fa wo wa o ogoni mi go fu me fu wa mo ri si ona re o owe yo wa
wo si owe ga duro mu yo wo ogoni yo ga re sometimes oh guys what we love it ya wa we ya wa school ya wa beg wa ri pere we o na we ta lo le e na oh we are no ma we are make be no we ni ya nwa oh we ni any blame no dey that woman at all. That woman no get blame. That wife no just get any blame at all. That wife try to do something to make him a better person.
Exactly.
Mami, I correct I correct you to come when you do gunoro. I often
Udoge isokeve e pa di mofi. No do seto Enogie. E di mofi ma seto isokeve e bobizwa. Ya do seto Enogie.
All the mofi ni wa ready mofi egbe. We marriage okay, same marriage na we ya una. E di mofi na ya mo bi o ma bi e o bi yin, e o tiyon, e o yera o bi ye. Una ya aka yo ma gbe. How? How? So marriage ni my way marriage. Any marriage be a car, let's see be.
O man dey anything bad about that.
And ya we traditional man.
God bless you.
Anyway, I don't mean insult to him, but you know what we talk about like but you traditional man.
If
your godfather get the boy.
If my name is at all. Man you say
Mama walk again igwalotion parire yi la tin abuwe ma e ke do bi ebunya no de kinena we really still get bad blood in any corner of
exactly.
Here wa e na me we e obiera e obijue e otun wa ma
my brother I want not go you book where can no carry I want not go you book the ticket of fly down oturi
ubege
oturi no go you book overall senior brother puri Enogie muela bien Enogie muela de so we take no you kroji Enogie muela oturi he calm down every joke
marriage Richard play though you are when maybe ya because you do now make a wrong go do you see video we are doing once at a time now you right now when in be with the backcourt in Frankie now because of you now this boy wrong go do this thing so not be safe every day mad because of him okay kagani ade we my was in yema na gege woge
what we
was in yema na be amawo but nyegi nyegu gwe une akaka Frankie na whatever we do we marriage you know we big bani here for yema ye oda gege awo na kana we too knee on the ground ugogo yin ya ugogo yin ya so awe go yin ya ni ye vi go to ye mi oni na la for copy gi ma wa wola mi na wa wola mi again wo be be no ro o ko no ri be no e ke friend ke ka se for ye be no wa
exactly
ama udo bi pa udo bi va udo bi ha udo bi ne e we no see agwe e boy ni o ga mi be awe wa sugar mo mi pa no wuye mu be bodo ni ne ma o mi abi ni ne bo ni amu ni aje bodo no wari madi na bodo ni ga ri madi na fo ne awo agba ni e ba ret no yo ko na tegele ri be ne boy na le fufu na no pa si ane we no wa pa na e ri wa e ri di
only Miyama Miami Mama Miami Erika to wakiwe ne dogi
yeah. They don't worry. Oh, you mistake. What you pay one in it, or Tommy pay it, or Panebo and Alene. You understand? A bear, and I just did do so messy. BC. I'm like, anyway, sir. When you mamma, you want to do that. Me, I can't have me. I want to know for what I lay. Can I win it? Can I win it? You are valid. It will equal because
what me what I never Miami we are going ina mi ya mi ile di fun wa no
ma wo ko gbare o na o ma mebe me je de na gi wona everybody is comfortable akmo ya mene okay na ni ya yeme odo we abi na bi ko ni ni ya be be ni abi be ni bi ka gun ya ri be ne be bo be o ri be ne be ne ne no be jina o ga se ba ni afoki ne ba ya ga gbe mu no ge body odo ru ya be ya bi half wa eto yimi ni ne be ni
utane
sepwe egbo na bi do mi e body odo be ni ya meji ayo yo wa be no be kin oni e ti be do wo ke ya ri ne wo be ere na ni e wa je na Nana produce every day, every month, every week. Na Ogono produce 20. We don't motiva. Yemio. Ari ene. Except for focus on total. We go big government. Eskumayo. Inwinamayo. Inwinaye the country. Uwe your panu. Pero nothing to be a la video, avant la video, taware la video, and who go the country. That's all about it. Yeah, I know.
We see.
Yeah, they when if you have even in a young winner, yeah, to consider what I got now when I was going to give my Wagarian. Now you give you every year. None give you a paragraph or give you or mother say, go give you a Kogoboka, or Massanari, or Garian, or Massanari, no.
We see.
That justice.
Where you born every I must greet you. One love.
Yeah.
Well, Itai.